Right, madam? Right. What is SQL commands means? SQL stands for Structure Query Language. First point. SQL stands for Structure Query Language. Next one, by using this structure query language, we can insert data in our database. Next, we can retrieve data from database. Insert data and retrieve data from database, and update database data also. For these operations, we can use some commands. That commands are SQL commands. Okay, now for example, be careful, madam. Why we can use SQL commands means, for example, here we have one database is there. Now here I want to store, some data. In my database. At the same time, I want update some data in my database. Now I want retrieve, I want get back the data from my database. For that purpose, we can use SQL commands. We can use what commands, madam? SQL commands we can use. SQL stands for Structure Query Language. By using these SQL, we can insert data, update data, retrieve data. From this SQL commands, first command what, madam? DDL commands. What commands, madam? DDL commands. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. DDL commands means DDL stands for Data Definition Language. DDL means Data Definition Language. Next, by using these DDL commands, for example, here we have one database is there. In that database, I want to create one table. For example, how to create one table structure. I want to alter the table. I want delete the table. For that purpose, we can use DDL commands. Okay? By using DDL commands, we can create a table structure and alter the table, delete the table, create table structure, alter table, and delete the table structure also. For that purpose, we can DDL commands. In the DDL commands, first command, create command. What command, madam? Create command. Simply you can observe, madam, by using it is used to create a table structure in database. For example, here we have databases there. In the database, you want to create one table structure. Structure means in the table there is no values, only empty table. And by using create command, we can create table structure in our database. Simple, madam. It is used to create table structure in our database. Okay, up to clear picture. Okay, what is the syntax for that one? Means create a table name. Table name is any valid user defined, and create a table space table name, column name 1 space data type size, column name 2 data type size, column and so on, column name n data type size, close semicolon. Here create is a one command. Table name is a valid user defined name. Now here, for example, I want to create one table. Create a table. My table name student. For example, in this way. For example, this one. For example, this one table. This one student table. So what table, madam? Student table. In that first column, serial number. Second column, name. Third column, phone number. Fourth column, what, madam? Marks. Fourth column, what? Marks. Now in this serial number, we can enter numbers only. That's why I'm taking number data type. In that we can store up to 3 digits only. We can take 3 as a size. For example, if you want 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, we can take 4 as a size. Okay, name. Name is nothing but a, for example, Ramu 2, Ramu 3, only Ramu. Only I am writing Ramu. This one character data. For example, Ramu 1, 2. This is called nothing alphanumeric data. Now by using varchar, we can store alphanumeric data. That size 10. It up to 10 characters only allowed. Next, phone number. Phone number means for numbers only. That's why I am taking number data type. Next, marks. Marks also number. That's why I am taking number. Now this one basic structure. Basic structure means you can create table only. Here means you can observe, madam. Here there is no values. Empties are there, na? And this one table structure only. We can create table structure only. Table structure only by using create table command. By using create table command, we can create table structure. We can create what? Table structure. Syntax: create table, table name, open parenthesis, column name 1, data type size, column name 2, data type size, and so on, column name and data type size. Once you can observe the syntax, madam. Create table, table name, column name 1, data type size, column name 2, data type size, and so on, column name n, data type size, close semicolon. Close what, madam? Semicolon. This one create a table structure only. Create table structure only. For example, you can observe, madam. Once I want to open what, madam? Software. Now this one. For example, if I want to open, I can see here I want to connect that one, madam. Here I want to connect that one. CONNECT connect space SYSTM system username SINDH is Sindhu password. Now connected. Now I want to create table. Connect. Sorry, create table. Create table. CREAT create table. Table name. For example, table name student is student. Me prakarame. Student. For example, student 12. Student 21 I want take. Student 21 I want take. Open parenthesis. First of all, serial number. That's why number. That number size, for example, 4. 3 you want take. Next, comma name. Name is alphanumeric or characters. Varchar 2. That size 10 only. Comma. Next, phone number means numbers only. Up to 10 digits only. Unmuted. Create a table. One minute, madam. I want to go to this one. H. Create a table. My table name student 21. Now in that first I want to take serial number. That one number only. Number 10. Number 10 I want to take. Otherwise number 3 I want to take. Next comma name. Name, for example, varchar 2 to 10 I want to take. Next close. Phone number means a number. For example, phone number 10 only. Next location, LOC, location place. Have to right balances are missing. Right, where is that missing, madam? Error varchar 2. Varchar CHER. Table created na? Now you can see DESC space, DESC space. For example, student 21, student 21. Be careful. Now this one table structure. And by using create table command, we can create structure only. And we cannot, in this there is no values. Only we can create table structure. And means for example, serial number, name, next what madam, phone number, next to marks, next what madam, marks. In this table, only this one nothing but a structure. In this there is no values, there is no values, and empty table. That is called nothing but a table structure. Now, by using create table command, we can create table structure. Okay, first one, okay, very good. Now you can see in this serial number is there, name is there, phone number is, location is there. For example, I want add another column. For example, I want to add marks. Now in my table, for example, be careful, madam. In my student 21 table, what we have? Serial number is there, name is there, phone number is there, location is there. Serial number, name, phone, location. Now I want add extra column now. After some days, I want extra another column to this table, to this existing table. I want add another column to this existing table. At the time, we can use what command, madam? For example, okay, 1 meter. This one create command only, na? Right, this one. At that time, we can use what command? Alter command. We can use what command? We can use alter command. What command we can use? Alter. Yeah, the DDL commands low. First command create. Okay, create completed. By using create command, we can create table structure only. Create table structure only. Now, after creating the table, you want add another column. You want to modify the table structure. If you want to modify the table structure, we can use what command? We can use alter command. We can use. Once you can observe an example. In this example, you can observe. In this example, what was serial number is there, name is there, phone number is there, marks is there. Now by using alter command, I want address. I want address. That means what, madam? By using alter command, why we can use alter command means alter command is, by using alter command we can modify the structure of a table. And if you want modify table structure, we can use what command? Alter command we can use. By using alter command, we can perform below operations. We can add one column, we can drop another column. We can modify the table columns also. For example, serial number is there, name is there, phone number is there, marks is there. Now I want to add extra column. If you want to add another extra column, by using alter command we can add. By using what command? Alter command only we can add. Next, drop. Drop means we can remove. One column. Next, modify. We can modify that column. Madam. Simple, madam. By using alter command, we can modify the table structure. Only table structure only. We can modify the table structure only. Remember that point, madam. Why we can use alter command means alter command is used to modify the table structure. Alter command is used to modify the table structure. How many we can modify? If you want to add one column, we can use add command. If you want to modify, we can use modify. If you want to remove, drop, we can use what command? Drop command. First come to syntax. First you want to add another column. For example, come to here, madam. Be careful, you can observe in our table, what are those columns? Serial number, name, phone number, location. For example, now I want to add another column. Alter table. Alter table. Student 21. Add 21. Add. For example, add. Close, open. My column name. For example, my column name marks. I want an extra column. Marks. space number error. Now, for example, one is there. Let's see a table alter. Table order. Now I want to see the table structure. DESC space student 21. You can see in my previous only serial number is there, name is there. In our previous table, serial number is there, name is there, phone number is there, location is there. Now I am writing alter command, alter table. Which table you want to add? Alter student table. And which table you want to modify? We can use order student 20, student 21. Now add, if you want to add column, that's why you can take this one. Add column name 1, column name. This is called nothing but a marksman. This is called marks. Number 10. And I mean number is nothing but a data type. Marks is a variable name. Marks is a variable name. Number is a data type. Number is a data type. Number is what type? Data type. 10 is a column name. Now you can see we can add one extra column. And a simple if you want to add another column, to our existing database table, we can use what command? We can use alter command. By using alter command, we can add a new column to our database. Okay, if you want alter, if you want add another new column, we can use what command? We can use alter command. Simple madam. By using create command, we can create table structure only. By using create command, we can create table structure only. By using alter command, we can modify the table structure. By using alter command, we can modify the table structure. For example, already one column is there. Sorry, one table is there. Now you want to add another column. To that database table. Now we can use what command? Alter table student 21. Add marks number 10. Means what we can add new column. We can add what madam? New column to our student 21. Means in the student 21, how many columns are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4. And why we can use alter command? For example, here I am creating one table. My table creation completed. After 20 days, I want to add extra column. We can use what command? We can use alter command. We can use what command? We can use alter command. Alter table student 21. Add marks number of 10. Now we can add another column. Okay, I can say add another column. Now by using alter command, we can add new columns. We can add new columns to our existing table, existing database table. Simple. By using alter command, we can add new column. We can add a new column to our existing database table. Okay. Any doubt, madam? Any doubt? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, madam? You can see once come
No, sir.
syntax subject, madam. Once this one you can observe. You can say then modify a table, new table add address. That's why here address added. For example, here 10 size is there. I want modify that size. Simple. So alter table, same story. Alter table name modify. For example, alter a table by table of student modify serial number 10. Number what one 10. And if you want to modify, column data, column data, we can use what one with alter table command. We can use modify. Alter table name, modify column name, data type size. Alter table, my table name what madam? Student. My table name what madam? Student. Modify serial number 10. Serial number what madam? Number 10 means what madam? We can add another. We can modify the serial number database size, data size. Okay, next what? Drop. Drop means what madam? Alter table name, drop. And by using drop command, we can drop that column. Alter table student drop alter command table. Okay, alter table. By using alter table, drop. Simple one. Add ante. For example, this one table. Okay. Be careful. This one table. In the table, I have 3 columns are there. 3 columns are there. Serial number, name, location is there. For example, I want to add extra column marks. We can use with alter command. Here we can add command. Okay na? In that one data type size is 10 only. Data type size is 10. I want to increase the data type size. I want to modify the data type size. We can use what madam? Modify. We can use what madam? Modify. Next, fourth one what madam? Drop. By using create table, alter table, table name, drop the column name. For example, I want remove this marks column. I want to remove this one. By using drop command, we can remove table columns. Remove what one table columns. Up here, okay, up here, any doubt, madam? Up here, any doubt, madam? Any doubt, madam? Simple. By using create command, we can create table structure. By using alter command, we can add a new column. We can modify that column. We can update or we can modify column and we can drop that column. By using create command, we can create table structure first point, madam. By using alter command, we can create one minute, madam. By using alter command, we can add a new column to the existing database. Add a new columns to our existing database. At the same time, we can modify that column size also. Same time, we can drop that column also. Madam. By using alter command, we can add a new column. We can drop that column. We can modify that column. Okay, na? Add a new column, modify that column, drop that column. For that purpose, we use what command, madam? Alter command. Now you can say I want to show you practically, madam. Alter table, student 21, marks added. Na? For example, you can see this size 10 only. I want that size 21. I want add here. I want a simple modify. Now I want my number size. For example, I want my number size. Sorry. For example, I want number size. That marks number size I want to change it to 30. Change it to 30. As you can say, modify. Right, you can see, madam. Now you can see, madam. Now I want to enter. Table altered. Now you can see DESC space. My table name student 21. You can observe here. You can observe marks column 10 only. Na? Marks column size 10 only in your previous table. But the column size change it to what, madam? 30. Na? Yes, sir, madam. We can use this modify. By using alter, we can add this new column. For example, I want to drop this one. Alter table. For example, I want to drop this one, madam. Alter table. Student 21. Drop marks. Sorry, marks. Table altered. Now you can see there is no marks command. DESC space. Table name what? Student 21. You can see there is no marks. You can see there is no marks column. You can observe there is no marks column. Means what? By using alter command, we can add a new column to our existing database. Next, we can modify that column size. Next, we can remove any one column. add, modify, remove, add, modify, remove. These operations are performed by which command? Alter command. These operations are performed by which command? Alter command. Simple. By using create command, we can create table structure in our database. Not a problem. Now I want to modify. For example, I want here I want add another column. For example, I want to remove that column. For example, I want modify that column. At that time, we can use what type? Alternate type.
Alter.
We can use what type? We can use alternate type. By using alter command, we can add a new column, we can delete that column, and we can modify that column size. We can modify that column size also. Okay now. This one add, first one add, this one add example, this one what modify, this one what madam drop. This is total alter command. Any doubt madam? Any doubt up here? Any doubt madam? Any doubt? Any doubt madam?